Most people outside Ethiopia have never heard of these foods, yet they're some of the most nutritious, health-boosting foods in the world. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you 7 Ethiopian superfoods, explain why they're so good for your body, and share how you can use them in your own diet, all backed by science and centuries of tradition. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more hidden superfoods from around the world. For centuries, Ethiopians have relied on simple, natural foods not just to survive, but to thrive. From feeding highland warriors to nourishing monks during fasting, these dishes have always delivered energy, health, and longevity. And today, we're uncovering 7 nutrition-packed Ethiopian foods that you can enjoy no matter where you live. 1. Injera, fermented flatbread. First up is injera, Ethiopia's iconic spongy flatbread. It's made from teff, a tiny but nutrient-rich grain, naturally gluten-free, high in protein, fiber, iron, and calcium, and complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. The teff flour is mixed with water and left to ferment for several days, giving injera its tangy flavor and making the nutrients even easier to absorb. The batter is then cooked on a clay griddle called a matad, forming a soft, spongy bread perfect for scooping up stews and vegetables. Injera isn't just bread, it's the foundation of Ethiopian nutrition, combining flavor, tradition, and health in every bite. 2. Gomen, Ethiopian collard greens. Next, gomen, tender collard greens slow-cooked with onions, garlic, ginger, and sometimes spiced butter. Packed with vitamins A, C, K, calcium, and fiber, gomen supports strong bones, a healthy immune system, and digestion. It's also a fasting staple, showing how plant-based foods can be both delicious and nourishing. 3. Shiro, chickpea flour stew. Shiro is a creamy stew made from ground chickpeas or broad beans. Chickpeas provide protein, fiber, iron, and folate, helping maintain steady energy, support digestion, and protect heart health. Shiro is comforting, hearty, and a plant-powered protein source, perfect during fasting or any meal. 4. Misir, spicy red lentil stew. Next is misir, a fiery red lentil stew cooked with Berber spice. Lentils are high in protein, fiber, and iron, fueling your body and supporting gut health. The spices also add antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. This dish is hearty, energizing, and a true Ethiopian superfood favorite. 5. Hilbert, roasted legume paste. Hilbert is a thick paste made from roasted and ground legumes, such as fava beans or chickpeas. It's rich in protein, fiber, and essential minerals, making it a filling, energy-packed food, especially during fasting. Hilbert shows how Ethiopians turn simple legumes into nutrient-dense, satisfying meals. 6. Telba, flaxseed drink. Another hidden superfood is telba, a traditional Ethiopian drink made from ground flax seeds and water. Flax seeds deliver omega-3 fatty acids, soluble fiber, and antioxidants, supporting heart health, brain function, and digestion. It's smooth, refreshing, and a centuries-old natural health drink. 7. Kinche, cracked barley porridge. Finally, kinche, a hearty porridge made from cracked barley. Barley is rich in fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, providing long-lasting energy and keeping you full. Simple, wholesome, and filling, kinche shows how basic grains can become a superfood breakfast. From the spongy tang of injera to the fiery flavor of misir and the creamy comfort of shiro and kinche, Ethiopia's foods aren't just meals, they're a celebration of flavor, tradition, and health. Every dish tells a story of centuries-old practices that naturally packed nutrition into every bite. Now it's your turn. Explore these superfoods, try them in your kitchen, and experience how culture and nutrition come together in every dish. If you enjoyed this journey, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with a friend who loves discovering hidden superfoods. More nutrition secrets from around the world are coming your way.